Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Swara and Preeti with me today for an interesting word search puzzle. So, in today's game, all right, I have 15 questions in the bowl, okay? And I have given you word search puzzles in these sheets, okay?
Okay.
All you guys have to do is pick up a chit. There is a question inside it, okay? Read it aloud. Give me the answer. The answer is what you have to search in the puzzle.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. So there is no time limit, but as you keep finding the answer, pick the next one. Read the question, give me the answer, and find it right there in your puzzle. Okay.
Okay.
At the end, we will count who has given the maximum answers or found the maximum answers in the word search puzzle. All right. And the person who has the maximum chits is the winner for the day. All right. Okay. How good are you girls at word search?
Awesome.
Awesome, both of you. Like that. Okay, let's see. So today it's gonna be a head-on between both of them. Let's see who wins it. All right. So are you guys ready? Okay. Pick up your first chits. Chits. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Swara, read out your question.
In which city is the Taj Mahal located?
What is the answer? What is the
Agra.
answer? Agra. Okay. Wait. Don't flip the paper yet. Yours.
Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
What's his name?
Mr. Karunanidhi's son. He is. Come on.
M.K. Stalin.
Yes. So you just have to find Stalin. All right. Pick up your sheet. Okay. Leave your chit here. You can leave as you keep picking up. Leave your chits right there. Okay.
Ow.
Careful. All right. All right. So ready, girls? Are we
Yes.
ready? Start. Search your answers. Come on. I thought you were like very good at puzzles.
Not like this.
Don't find her answer. Okay. You have to find yours, Swara. What is your answer any which ways?
Agra. Found it.
Okay, Swara's got her first one. Go. Read your question. Read your question.
Which is the fastest land animal?
Which is it?
Cheetah.
Yes. Go.
Too easy.
Come on.
Too easy.
Come on. I can just see it. It's right in the center of the puzzle. Preeti. Quick. Ooh, Swara's got the second one. Preeti. Okay. Let's go for the next one.
I found another word.
You have to find your answer first, ma.
In which month does India celebrate its Independence Day?
Which month?
August 15th.
So yeah, 5th. I'm just asked.
August.
Yes, August. Find August. You found it? Great. Okay.
Which Disney movie is Elsa in Frozen?
Go. Search. Come on. Go. Very easy.
Ayo, I found Preeti's word.
You have to find yours. Go. See, Preeti, she's found yours. You're still finding yours. Come on.
August.
Guys, are you able to find it in the puzzle right there? Let me know. Ooh, Swara got this one too. Go, Swara. Next. Okay.
With what do you write on a blackboard? A chalk.
Chalk. Go. Find it. Ooh, Swara got this one too. You're still stuck at Frozen. Vertical. Come on, Preeti. Up to down.
The only state in India whose name starts with S.
Come on.
Sikkim.
Sikkim is correct. Go. Okay, great. Swara found it. Next.
What color are
Smurfs. Have you seen Smurfs
Blue.
Village? Yes. Blue. Okay, what's yours?
What sport is played in the IPL? Cricket.
Yes. Go. Very good. Quick. Now Swara will say, I found Preeti's word. Find yours.
Found it.
Preeti is going to say, I found it. Yeah, okay, very good. Before that, you found it. Great. Go next.
In which country would you find the kangaroos? Australia.
Yes, go. Australia is correct.
Where is it? Even I don't know.
Okay, again, this is... okay, found it. Go, Preeti. Come on, pick the next one. Let's see.
Ayo.
Come on, Swara. Australia.
I found ASU. Which bird can mimic human speech? Parrot.
Go, fine.
Auntie, I got ASU.
Doesn't... You have
AUS, Australia.
Wait, how does it go like this, Swara? Australia, you found it. Very good. Next.
How many sides does a dice have? 8.
Hey, how many numbers? What is the maximum biggest number on the dice?
6.
So how many sides it has?
6.
Yeah, that's all. Fine. 6.
Where is Australia?
Yo, Innama, you know very word. Come on, you can find it. It's a big, long word. Go. Come on.
That's why it's taking so long.
Hey, that is in a bigger puzzle, longer words are easier to find than smaller ones.
Yes!
Finally. See, round, you were searching there only. It was there only. I was waiting for you to spot it. Go 1. Next.
Which is the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter?
Find it.
I found that like 1,000 years
I know. You find yours now. 10,000 years ago, you found that. She found it. Go, there's one chit left. Come on, Preeti.
What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond.
Ooh, yes. Only a diamond can cut a diamond. 6. We are finding 6. I don't know where it is. We need to find. Found it. Diamond. Ooh. Horizontal, vertical. Everything gone. You just found it. Okay.
What is a house made of ice? Igloo.
Igloo. Okay. What is a house made of ice called, guys? Igloo is the answer. And she's found it. Alright. Let's see. Show your sheets. Preeti has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were totally 15 questions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swara's got 10 and Preeti's got 5. So the winner for today's quiz is Swara! Yay! So yes, we played word search, which we regularly play where we have the words and everything. Played it with a slight twist of a quiz where we gave them questions. They had to give the answers and find the answers in the quiz. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz and were able to find all the answers that these girls did. If you did, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and stay updated on all our latest quiz videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon in the next